We use our reading skills every day to follow street signs, to try a recipe, or to communicate by email. Technology is changing rapidly, and information is often shared through words, symbols, or images, in person or through devices. The ability to read helps us to find and understand the information in front of us.
Yeah.
At work, strong reading skills are needed to do a job properly and safely. They help us to understand emails, reports, and safety manuals, or locate information online or in printed materials. Reading can also help you develop other skills. Improving your ability to read can set you up for success at work and in day-to-day life. Skills for Success can help you reach your goals. Visit our website for free online assessment tools and learn where to find training to help you master the skills for success.